Yesterday, January 30th, 2026, everybody, we had a massive price correction on all our precious metals. Will they recover? Will they recover Monday? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Happy coffee. What an explosive Friday we had on all our precious metals yesterday. A lot of downers for everybody, but still green lights, everybody. We're going to talk about why do we have green lights on our precious metals right now on gold and silver. So we're going to talk about that this morning after we do our updates on our metals, what our metals ended up on Friday, 5 o'clock Central Standard Time, my time. And we're going to see, hey, here's what they are. Here's what happened. What did silver do for the whole month of January, everybody? Massive price correction, huge price correction on all of our metals. At some point, we all expected this. A lot of you already expected these price corrections, but will they recover? I believe they're going to recover big time. We'll talk about that here shortly. Before we get started, everybody, I want to thank you, as I always do every morning, for all of my new viewers, all of my current viewers all over the world, all over the United States, my big Texas friends next to Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, all the Southeast, all over the United States, Canada, all my good friends in Canada. We can't forget our new folks in Sweden, Denmark, all of those beautiful countries over there, Germany, fantastic countries. And we appreciate all of you, everybody. Guys, we hit yesterday. This channel is just flying. We're at over 7,000 subscribers now and almost 700,000 views for a big channel. I'm just a little micro guy, right? So, but that's okay, man. God is glorious and has given us a great team right here, from my living room to your living room, everybody. We're all a big family on the SSC channel, and we appreciate you very, very much. So thank you so very much. Let's get into what happened with gold, silver, and all of our precious metals yesterday. Massive price correction, everybody. Gold ended up now at 48.89.40 after highs of over $5,500 an ounce, everybody. That's a pretty good size price correction. So if you went out when you saw these highs and you sold, you did very, very good. If you didn't sell, you still did very, very good. So there's no negatives about these price corrections. There's really no negatives about any of the precious metals, everybody. It's healthy, and it shows us where our strengths are. It shows us how strong these metals really are. So gold at 48.89.40 with a drop of 400. I can't see. $489.60. That is massive, especially for gold. Gold just doesn't drop like this, everyone. So had a lot of things going on with this stuff yesterday. Silver got its butt whipped yesterday all the way down to what I think it was like 76, 75 bucks an ounce, something like that at one time. Silver at $85.15, 32 down per ounce yesterday. So it also took a whooping. They all took a whooping yesterday, guys. But things are strong. They are strong. That's a good recovery to 85.15. That's very strong for silver, everyone. You got to remember where silver was last week, where silver was at the beginning of the month. We'll talk about that. Platinum, 21.89. It took a butt whipping $448 an ounce yesterday. And palladium down $295 an ounce yesterday at $1,699. And rhodium took a whipping too yesterday, down $800. It's at 10,000. Just when I thought rhodium was really hanging in there, coming on up for us, and then it just drops. So it took a whooping, $800. Our gold to silver ratio, everybody, wow. Big change. If you remember the 45-1, we're at 57.42. Woo! That's a big swing, everybody. Huge swing. What did our European markets do? So, happy coffee, happy Saturday. I got to go to work this morning, and then I'm buying silver. I don't care if it was 120. I bought some $130 an ounce with premium. I did. I'm going to have to hold it for a little bit. Not for long, though. Trust me, not for long before it recovers. So Hong Kong, 51.68.10 on gold and holding $110.47 on silver. That kind of tells you something, doesn't it, everybody? Tells you something. Mumbai, 52.15.10 on gold and $111.10 on silver. London, 5,057 and 99.12 on silver. So it was a little bit lower. Listen, these metals went absolutely nuts yesterday. They went down as fast as they go up. This time with a big price correction. Our gold backs actually, they went down because they're 24 karat gold. We're getting some of those this weekend. We're going to be showing you all of our pickups on Sunday, on Super Copper Sunday, everybody. So make sure you watch that. There's some great things going on with these copper minted products, the bars and rounds and stuff. It is absolutely insane what has happened with all of the minted copper products, everybody. We're going to do that Super Copper Sunday. Tomorrow morning, you'll see the video. So make sure you hit your bell. Little bell button, like, share button, all that stuff. Tell all your friends. Do I sound serious enough? I'm a little ADHD this morning, but hey, that's okay, right? Let's go to our base metals. Base metals, everybody. We're looking at copper at ended up $5.99. It's down just a little bit. Yesterday, I think it was at, 602 or something like that. Happy coffee copper. Oh, Lee, what do you got to say to that one? Oh, my goodness. Shout out to my bro, Thompson Coin and Stamp over there in Oklahoma, right here in Oklahoma. Another great YouTube channel. Go check them out. And Sober Stacker's really growing. Go check those guys out. Raven Hawk Coins, numismatic pro, guys. Excuse me, allergies and all. Check him out. Great. Well, all of our channels are great channels. Us the Oklahomans, we're just good old boys. We love you. So nickel, now it's down a little bit. It's $7.97. It came down a whopping 2 cents. Aluminum, $1.41. Looks like all of these were the ones to invest in yesterday, right? They didn't drop hardly at all. Zinc, $1.53, and lead at 88 cents. It stays the same. I'm not much of a lead guy except for fishing weights and other stuff, right? Let's move on to Wonder Boy. everybody's non-holding digital computerized currency. I'm not going to, no, not currency for SSC, everybody. 83,007.46. It did actually go up a little bit from yesterday. So what happened? Let's talk about this, and everybody talk about it, because there's a lot of you on our channel that are highly knowledgeable. So all you new stackers, listen to everybody. And on my channel, I encourage you to talk to each other and everybody. There's so many comments now on our channel. I can't keep up with it. So I'm late. I'm always late right now to get into comments. I try to comment first thing in the mornings when we upload these videos before I go to work. And then I got to concentrate on my regular job, right? So forgive me if I don't comment on your comments right away. I do read them, but I can't get to them just right away. So please be patient with me and in replying to comments. And I missed some. There's so many of them. It's not just one video. It's all the videos that are getting comments on. So all of you new stackers, let's talk about this. Okay, so don't panic. Nobody panic about this massive price correction. No need to panic. It's all positive. Okay, if you bought an ounce of silver at 120, 130 bucks, I have. Guys, everyone, don't worry about it. It is really bullish and really, really strong. Hold your stuff, as many stackers have said for years and years. Hold your silver, hold your silver. Everybody remembers when we had a massive price increase in what was it, 2011 or something? And then it really dropped down, similar to what we have now. This was a big price correction, but it really didn't do much for years. Silver didn't do much for years, and that was 10 years ago, everybody, at least, when that happened. It is way different now. Things are much different. The industrial uses of all of our precious metals, mainly on silver, platinum, palladium, copper, they have massive industrial uses, industrial pushes, and AI and technology has happened. And silver is just way too bullish, way too strong. And it has proven itself by holding at the end of this week, end of the month, $85.15, guys. That's strong. Remember, it wasn't too long ago. We were right here freaking out that it was $85 an ounce, guys. So silver for the month of January ended up $15 an ounce higher than the 1st of January. So the month of January, we ended up it was actually $14. Did I say 15? $14 an ounce higher than it has been. So you got to look at that. So we're at 85.15. If we average a $14 an ounce bump in silver every month, within 3 months, it's recovered. It's already starting to make money for you that bought $120, $130 an ounce silver. It's already there, everybody. So hold your silver if you bought high. I did buy some high, so I continued to buy. We'll show you that stuff. Not all of it's here yet, and all the stuff I buy tomorrow won't get shown till next week. So, but it has done fabulous, and gold the same way, everyone. So you got to remember where we started out this month, what silver averaged in increase, and what gold increased in an average, and all of the other metals. So they still have done fantastic. We showed silver very strong, even after that massive price correction, everybody. It's going to continue to rocket up. Monday could be a very, very big day. Now, if you guys remember, I did 2 price predictions for 2026, one that was really aggressive. And if you watched all of my if you watched all of my update videos in the morning, I did one that was very conservative. Right now, the one that's conservative is winning the race. But I believe the one that is aggressive is going to pass it. I still think our target price is $125. We missed the 120 by the end of the month, all of us, and some of us said even more than that by yesterday. And things just happen. That's what happens with these gold and silver prices. Massive, massive sell-off on our precious metals yesterday. We had some news about the Fed chair change and all that stuff. That's a very small bit of it, but we had central banks, they had to sell off. They had to show their financial position to others, and so they made a ton of money. I mean, you think about it. If you're a trader in the market and a paper trader in the market, and you had thousands and thousands and thousands of stocks in gold and silver, and we were at 100, well over 100 plus an ounce, 115, 118. You're going to sell off. You're going to make your money. You know that silver's strong. It's going to come back, and they did. And be honest with you, I still think there's a lot of people trying to control it and trying to bring it down, trying to hold it off. Our industrial uses are trying to bring it down and hold it off because of the cost of silver. And they use silver in industry big time. So it causes prices to go up on all that stuff. There's a lot of things happened yesterday. One of the biggest ones was the price sell-off. So it was still a great day. So don't be bummed out about it. Still green lights on. And we're a positive channel when it comes to all of our precious metals, everybody. No doom and gloom. I looked at some doom and gloom videos yesterday, and I also looked at some great videos yesterday that told everybody, don't panic, don't sell your silver, don't panic sell your silver or your gold. It's going to come back up. Don't worry about it. It's all going to happen again, just like it has. Remember, we were at $85 an ounce not too long ago, and even a week and a half for sure. The start of Monday, of this last Monday, 2 weeks ago, we were at about $93 an ounce on a Monday at the end of Monday. So it was less. I think it was less than that. I can't remember, but it was a big surge on that date. What did it say? January 18th, 14.45% surge. So, guys, it's going to come up. Don't worry about it. Hold your silver. Buys now. This is a great buying opportunity. So now's the time to go out and get some. Silver ended up good, $85 an ounce on Friday. It dropped, $30+ an ounce. So now's the time to save and go out and maybe get you some more silver because it's locked in. It's locked in. So it starts all over Sunday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So we're going to be watching that for you. Make sure to watch Super Copper Sunday tomorrow. We're going to show all our pickups. Got some pretty cool pickups in, everybody. Copper's going absolutely nuts when it comes to the minted copper products. The bars, the rounds, all the minted stuff has absolutely, it's getting even harder to find right now than it was last Sunday, guys. Last Sunday, great video. It's gotten harder to get even now. Matter of fact, it's easier to get an ounce of silver right now than it is a really popular Germania Geiger copper bar. So we'll talk about that tomorrow on Super Copper Sunday. Everybody have a great Saturday. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for all of you have given us, not what we seek, And thank you for all my viewers out there on Silver Stacker Cracker YouTube channel. We thank you so very much. Everybody have a great Saturday. I am off to work here in about an hour. We're out.